Mississippi has one of the highest rates of motor vehicle deaths in the nation. Data from the years 2016 to 2020 show that passenger vehicle crashes kill an average of 685 motorists annually, devastating family and friends. We all know that seatbelts save lives, and texting while driving puts not only the driver, but others who share the road at risk. I'm proud to introduce the Buckle Up, Phone Down Challenge because it addresses two of the most important behaviors motorists can do to keep themselves safe. Wear a seatbelt and put the phone down while driving. I challenge you to make the pledge. Buckle up and put your phone down.
Join in to make Mississippi roads safer. Make a pledge to buckle up and put the phone down while driving. Pass it on.